Hi, I'm John Caligari, the president of DSI. I'm here at the first ever DSI Fusion Summit at Stewart-Haas Racing. I'm currently standing in the Haas Formula One building where we've hosted the last 2 days of around 100 Fusion users, Autodesk developers, product managers, Autodesk resellers, and industry partners such as Haas Automation. We hosted this event to get our Fusion users and community together for 2 days of futures, tips, tricks, and recreation to talk about what we all love in Fusion 360, what we hope to see in the future, and how to get the most out of the software for our customers.
One of the biggest things I took away from this event was the networking. So between DSI and the Autodesk guys that are here and the networking that you do, there's so many questions I got answered. When questions come up moving forward, I'm gonna have the ability to text someone, and I'm really glad I came.
We've learned a lot in the summit. Excited that we were one of the first ones to come. Looking forward to 10 years from now what DSI and Autodesk will be doing.
I wanted to come to this. It was something that I wanted to make sure that I supported, and that it sounded like a great value proposition. Like, hey, we're going to be going over a bunch of these topics. We're going to have some people that are great to hear from, guys like John Saunders, and then within Autodesk, some of the product managers that know what's coming. It's always cool to see like what's being worked on.
I would definitely come to another DSI Fusion Summit. I had a great time here, and I think I learned a lot, and food was great. The facilities here are great. My suggestion, have a go-kart night.
The last few days have been absolutely incredible. We've been able to sit down and learn a lot about Fusion, a lot about our customers' businesses and what's important to them, to allow us to create the right resources to make sure you're getting the most out of your Fusion 360 subscriptions. So we're looking forward to seeing you at the next DSI Fusion Summit.